Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you a collection of all of the My Sweet Piano things that I have, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get started. So as you may know, I'm a huge fan of Sanrio, and one of my favorite minor characters is My Sweet Piano. I love her to death, and this video will be separated into several sections, so clothing items, bags, plushies and stuff like that, and then miscellaneous items. So I guess we will start off with all of the bags that I have, and this video will probably be very long, so I hope you guys stick to the end. Let's get started with the bags, and along the way I will probably be showing you some of my small mascot plushies because I put them on my bag. So this is the first bag that I have, and this is my treasure because this bag was really hard to get, but I did manage to get it. I put two separate mascot plushies here, so they do not come with a bag. But this bag is from the brand Maison de Fleur, and or in Japanese they say Maison de Fleur. And this bag was super hard to get. They came out with the collection of many different characters, and they had a bag, a makeup pouch, and like a string bag, and I only managed to get the little tote bag. So Maison de Fleur is a very popular Japanese brand for bags and accessories and stuff like that, and their trademark is these kinds of handles with like frills on them. I will show you a close-up of this bag, but inside the print of the lining inside has my melody and piano, and I think that's the most adorable thing in the world. And yeah, it's very soft and fluffy, and it actually fits a lot of stuff, so I love that about this bag, and I just love it so much. Mascot plushies that are on my Maison de Fleur bag are these two. So this one is from the Halloween lottery. Actually, I couldn't get it from the lottery, and I bought this. Somebody was reselling it for about the same price, so I got that, and she's super cute. She has a little like witch hat and stuff, and I love this so much. And this one is also a very precious thing. This is the piano-chan, and she's wearing my melody hood, and this is just the cutest thing ever, so I love this one as well. So yeah, that's for this bag. Now let's move on to the second bag. This bag, it looks like this. And in my previous haul, the Sanrio haul, I showed the one that looks like this, but it was with milk, and this is the piano one. So this is just a really kind of bigger tote bag, and it has Piano-chan's face on it, and she has a little blue bow, and in the back is just simple like fluffy material. It's very soft and it's quite spacious, and on the inside it also has pink lining, and the pocket has My Sweet Piano, which I think is super adorable as well. So I love this bag. I've been using it a lot lately, and yeah, I got this from the website called Kokode. This is the next bag that I have, and this one also I put a little charm here, so I will talk about that too. This is a very old collection, and I also bought this. It was resold at Mercari, and this is in perfect condition. It was brand new, so I'm really happy I could get that, and I've been using this a lot too. It's kind of the same size as the Maison de Fleur bag, but it's different material. So it has the fluffy Piano-chan's face here. In the back it has also this little My Sweet Piano square looking thing with birds. For the charm that is here, this is the mascot plushie from Puro Land, which looks like this. You can only get this at Sanrio Puro Land and on the Sanrio Puro Land website. So yeah, I was super happy to get this, and she is so cute. I love her so much. She's just the cutest thing ever. So this bag is like this. Now moving on to the next bag, and it looks like this. So this is also a bigger size bag, and on the bag is just simple pink. And this I also bought used because this is also a very old collection, and it's really hard to find. So the lining inside is very cute. It has pink flowers and everything, and it's a super spacious bag. Like, look how much it opens up, and it has a side pocket here and a big side pocket on the other side. I use this bag a lot for work or where I have a lot of things to carry, so this is just perfect. And this one I also have a little mascot plushie on it. So this one is from the same kind of collection as this bag, and actually the seller who I bought this from was selling the bag plus with this mascot plushie, which was very generous. And yeah, so this one is super cute too. She has little pink flowers and bows all over her, and I just love this one. This is not only my sweet piano, this also has my melody on it, and this is how it looks like. And yeah, it's a very spacious backpack, so for traveling I usually use this, or when I have like really many things to carry. And the print is super cute. It's from their Sweets Parade design, so they have like little cupcakes and candies, and there's also flat cone here as well. And in the back it looks like this, so you can carry it actually as a bag with the top handle, or you can use it as a backpack, which I think is very convenient. So that is this backpack. One more bag I want to show you is this. This is like not even a bag, it's just a little whatever, like tiny tote bag. And I also bought this reused. It was like $3 or something, and it has my melody and my sweet piano all over it. This would be cute to just like take like on a picnic and put some drinks or some snacks in here, or even just put it in the room, which is what I usually do. So that's this bag. And that concludes all of the bag that I have. So now let's quickly talk about the clothes, because I have only 2 items to show you. So the first thing is this dress, and I will show you a close-up because it's really hard to fit this in the frame. But basically this is also a dress bought from a different seller, because this is also a pretty old collection. So Mercari is just a perfect place for these kinds of things. And this dress is so cute because it has my melody and piano and flat cone and all the other characters, and it's so cute. I like all the details. I like the bow here. I like all the ribbons and frills and everything. And this would be like a perfect dress to wear to Puroland or any kind of Sanrio related place, like a cafe or restaurant or whatever. So I love this dress so much. Now the second clothing item that I want to show you is my absolute treasure, and I also got this item from Cocode website. Room wear parka kind of thing, which is really hard to describe, but it is the softest thing in the world. It's like a cloud. This is how I imagine my sweet piano would like feel like if we ever get to touch her, if she was real. So this is so cute. It has a little kind of sailor collar in the back with the ears, which is so cute. And it has pockets and this really adorable ribbon in the front. And on the sleeve on the side, it has my sweet piano. Look at this. This is just so cute. I love this. And yeah, this is probably my favorite thing that I have from the clothing items, and I usually wear this around the house, and especially now when it's cold, it's perfect to wear this kind of thing. And yeah, I love this thing so much. Now let me show you the plushies. So I already showed you some of the mascot plushies that I have on the back, so this would be like the continuation of the things that I do not have attached anywhere. So the first thing is this, and this is the most cutest thing ever. This is from the Puroland, so same as this one. It's kind of pretty much the same thing, just different size, but the only thing is that this small mascot plushie you can still get at Sanrio Puroland, while this is sold out everywhere. And I also had to buy this from Mercari from the reseller because they do not sell this anymore. I'm not sure if they will put this back on sale or what, but for now you cannot get this anywhere, and people resell it for a ridiculous amount of money. So this initially was 2,200 yen plus taxes, but I bought this for like maybe 5,000 because it's just really hard to find. But I do not regret a single thing. Look how cute she is. I love her, and she's quite big, like about the hand, my hand size, and they don't really make any big ones anymore. So yeah, I love this piano-chan. And yeah, she always sits on the bed with me because she is so cute, and looking at these kinds of things just makes me so happy. Now let me show you a second one, which is this. And she is a little bit tiny, a little bit smaller than the ones that I just showed you. So as you can see in comparison, just a tad bit smaller. And this one has a really cute blue bow and the pink bow. And her feet are also super cute with the print and the flowers and everything. And this is how she looks like in the back. So I just love this one so much. She is the cutest thing ever. Now let me show you the most precious, very hard to find, the most expensive thing that I have. Ta-da! This is from 5 years ago, from 2015, I believe. I may be wrong, but I feel this is from 2015. This is a set of my melody and my sweet piano. Please show you my melody. This is how my melody looks like. I love this design so much. They're really soft and fluffy with all the details and the ribbons and the bows and everything. And even her dress, look at her dress. Her dress has my melody's face on it, and it's just the cutest thing ever. So that's my melody, but the main reason, of course, why I wanted to have this is because it comes with piano-chan as well. So let's have a look at her. It is so soft. This should be illegal. Like, I don't know how this is legal to have such cuteness, but yeah, she has a pink bow as well, and her dress also has the piano's face on it and all the cute ribbons and the gingham kind of print skirt. This is how she looks like in the back, and even her feet are fluffy. I just can't, like, her feet are fluffy and they have the silk little shoes and the bows, and this is just the cutest thing. And she is probably the biggest one that I have, like compared to the one from the Pure Land. It's definitely way bigger. So this set, yeah, it comes with this box. And even the box's design is very, very cute. I hope you can see this. It has like a little house kind of looking thing. I just love this so much. But yeah, this is really hard to find, and only a few people like were reselling it, and it took me a few months to find this on Mercari, but I did, and I paid ridiculous amount of money for that, but I did not regret a single thing. This is like a collector's item, and clearly I love collecting things with piano-chan, so yeah, this is my most precious thing that I have. Now moving on, the next little one that I have is this one. I actually got at a UFO catcher, and it took a little while, but we managed to get it with my fiance. He helped me out on this, and she is quite small, but still super cute. So just very plain design, very simple, but still very adorable with a pink bow, and this is how she looks like in the back. I think this is not really a plushie, it's a little finger puppet. This is also so cute. So this is how she looks like, and yeah, you can put her in a finger. And this I actually wore to Pure Land and took a picture with piano-chan. I think that's all of the stuff that I have with the plushies, and now let me show you everything else, accessories, random items and stuff like that. This, and this is my coin case, which is actually what I use as a wallet right now. I don't really have much money in it, but it's a little bit dirty, so excuse me. But it's just a very simple coin case with piano-chan and the blue bow, and this is how it looks like in the back. And it's very convenient because I can actually jam in the bills inside, plus the coins, obviously. So this is what I use as a wallet right now. Another thing is this. This is like a, also I think like mini coin case or something. It has a zipper in the back, and you can't really fit that much inside, but I feel like this would be a good thing to just put maybe some candy or like your earphones or something. And it does have this little hanging thing, so you can put this on your bag. And I believe this is from one of the Christmas lotteries or something like that. I also got most of the stuff, actually I got from Mercari, because there's just not that much stuff with piano-chan anymore, but they do make a lot of things actually. Next up, let me show you these two. So this is from Pure Land as well, and this is also impossible to find. Now they don't make these anymore. I don't know why they just stopped making things. Like, I don't understand, but I also got this from the reseller of Mercari. So what this is, it's a little hair tie that looks like this, and exact same thing, but this on the right is a little like pin, safety pin, so you can like pin this onto your clothes. Another very small kind of safety pin as well is this one, and she is so cute as well. It's a little bit smaller than the one I just showed you, but also very cute, and this would also look good on any kind of clothes or a bag, or you can even put this on a headband if you go to Pure Land or something like this. So that's very cute. Now talking about pins and stuff, this is also hair clips. It's just those hair clips that don't leave any marks on your hair, so if you pin your hair away, and these are actually sold everywhere. They have different ones. They have the obviously piano-chan, my melody, cinnamon, kunomi, everybody you can think of. And actually if you know about my shop, momomailshop.com, whenever you order a Sanrio surprise bag from my store, I usually put these clips in there most of the time. So if you want to get the clips like this with your favorite Sanrio character, then please go to my website. The link will be in the description bar below. I want to show you these socks, which I recently just bought from Mercari as well. And obviously they're new and they're not worn. And yeah, it's just the most cutest pair of socks ever. I love socks with Sanrio characters. In fact, right now I'm wearing one with cinnamon roll, and so this is very, very cute. I don't know where it's from originally, if this is from the Sanrio shop or elsewhere, but yeah, I've never seen them anywhere in the stores. Next thing is this, and this, I'm not even sure what this is. It's like a little pin that looks like this in the back. This actually just came like as an extra gift when I ordered from a person in Mercari. But yeah, I like this one a lot. It has the most, she's just the cutest thing. Like, I just can't. So I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but so far it's just a decoration piece. The thing I want to show you is this. This is from the 100-yen shop. I believe maybe it's either Sanrio Can Do or something like that, maybe Daiso. But this is a set of 4 pocket tissues with My Melody and Piano Tone. They're so cute. The first picture on the top, they're just sitting there, and on the second one, they're putting on makeup. Is the thing that I actually got yesterday from a 100-yen shop as well, and it's just a little case, and then you open it up, and it's just a very small case. You can put accessories, hair ties, cotton buds, anything you want, really. And the design is just the cutest thing ever. Another thing you can get at a 100-yen store actually is this. I'm using this right now. This is Body Wipe Citrus Scent, like just little wet tissues. And this is how the design looks like. So it has My Melody and Piano Tone on them, and this is so cute. On the topic of 100-yen store goods, this is another thing that I got at a 100-yen store, and this is like a little case, and this is the same design as my backpack. It's a little case that you can open up like this. Maybe this is for like stationery, like paper goods, like notepads or something. But yeah, you can put anything in there. So this is how it looks like on the front. And this is how it looks like on the back. Another thing from the 100-yen shop that they're selling right now at Daiso is this. And this is the 2021 calendar with Melody and Piano. All of the pages have either My Melody or Piano Tone on them, like this. So this is so cute, and yeah, it's just the most precious thing ever, and it's actually very spacious. You can like write stuff on there, like it's pretty big calendar, so I can't wait to use this when the next year starts. So let me just quickly show you the back. It has like to give you the idea of how the back looks like. Another thing stationery related is this, and this folder I got very long time ago, maybe about 4 years ago, my first time in Japan, and this is a folder from Harajuku. It says Harajuku, and it has the cutest freaking My Melody and Piano. And this is how it looks like in the back. So yeah, I think we finally made it through all of the items that I have. I probably forgot a bunch because they're literally like all over my house, but yeah, I ordered a lot more items with Sanrio and with my sweet piano, so there will probably be another haul very soon, so keep an eye on that, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you like my sweet piano as well, and yeah, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!